Here are the top 6 Safari tips and tricks you didn't know about in iOS 26. Let's start with something simple, the Start page. For this, open the Safari browser on your iPhone. Then, at the top of the Start page, tap on Edit. Now, choose what you want to see, your favorites, suggestions, or iCloud tabs. Now, tap on Background Image. This allows you to set a wallpaper for your Start page. Navigate to any tab with just gestures. Instead of tapping around, just swipe up on the address bar. This will instantly bring up all your open tabs. Next, tap and hold on the address bar, and you'll unlock a hidden menu full of shortcuts. You can share the page, copy the link, move it to another tab group, or close all the tabs in one go. Moving between pages got much simpler. Just tap and hold the back arrow, and you'll instantly see your full page history for that tab. And while browsing, you can swipe left or right on the address bar to switch between your open tabs instantly. Use reader mode for a clutter-free reading experience. When you open an article, tap the reader icon. Then tap on Show Reader. This will strip away clutter and you can see clean text. Then, make the font size bigger or smaller as per your comfort. Additionally, you can make Safari read the article out loud for you. Hide distracting elements from web pages. Tap the page menu and choose Hide Distracting Items. You can now select any item on the page, and Safari will remove those elements and give you a clean reading experience. Try Safari extensions to improve functionality. In the address bar, tap the page menu icon. Then click on Manage Extensions. You can install any extension you want. I've installed ChatGPT Search, and if we enable it, the extension takes over and provides with information. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.